Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach, and today's video was actually shot a long time ago. Back in November, I actually went out and visited RR Racing out in Pennsylvania, and they developed a supercharger kit for a Porsche 911 GT3. It's the first in the world, and so that's all this video is going to be, is just the dyno footage from that day. The footage was embargoed for a little bit because they didn't want to release the numbers yet before the kit was available and things like that, but now everything is good to go, and I'm so excited to show you guys this clip. This is one of the gnarliest sounding cars I've ever heard, and it doesn't come across on camera, but anytime it would hit redline, you felt it in your chest. Even though we had giant headphones on, absolutely spectacular sounding car, and so I won't blabber anymore. Check out the video.